As I was saying, I think I'm gonna take you guys with me. We're gonna go shop a little, buy some few groceries, and this was beautiful. It's like a new building. I think they built it like 2 years ago, 2 or 3 years ago, if I'm correct. It was finished 2 or 3 years ago. Well, no, maybe 4, no 3. But anyway, it's quite new but not new, you could say. So it's good. Sometimes I'm begin watch. You look, I caught it. Oh, yes, guys. It'll be good on YouTube. Mary Kanu. Fun. Watermelons I stole from a store that was hustling me. Granny, I beg you, I don't care. If you don't respect your age, I will not. Try on. Yeah. Old mommy, they don't respect themselves. Yes, sir. So, guys, let's shop. I have some few things. Excuse me. Thank you. I have some few things I want to get. So it's gonna be good to get my groceries. Let me get my list. So I got my list. Yes. So this is like our food store, Matax. I need this. Do I take? You know, sometimes you don't. I will take this one. Doesn't need to be that thick. You know, if you know what I mean, you know what I mean. Yes. Here on the other side. Ursäkta. Move now. Kan jag få påsen? Tack. No people. Oops, sorry. Lång. Okej, det var du la ner den. Inte jag. Va? Vad sa du? Do you want to talk?
Down.
I beg, continue. Down. You go down. Do you want to go down on me, girl? She wants to eat my pum pum. Do you want to go down? Yeah. Come, I don't mind. I really don't mind. You can eat it. Come on, darling. You can eat my pussy. I don't mind. She does not know. She wants to eat my pussy. Pussy. Oh my God. I can't with myself. So, I'm taking lime. And here we go. Ooh, wait, they don't have it. Don't. Har ni inte spenat? Ursäkta? Spenat? Ja. Vi har en... Klart. Vilken hörn? Kan du visa mig?
Spinats i påse. Där har vi dem. Baby spinach 29,95.
Där.
Yes.
Thank you. Det var enklare. I saw it now when he pointed. I was like, where are the spinach? They have them. I feel like everyone is so nice now. Oh, this is good. Yes, guys. Excuse me, please. Can I pass through? Darlings, can you move? Can you walk a little faster, please? Thank you. You guys can move. Thank you. Nej, om du flyttar på dig då alltså behöver inte jag gå förbi det, eller hur? Du går som en snigel. Like, move it. Jag frågar snabbt. Men ni går like... Excuse me. Thank you. Det finns folk som vill bara göra snabbt. Ursäkta. Du är också rädd som en snigel. Jesus.
Jag vill inte vänta
People are slow. Hur ska du vända ägget? Hur ska du vända ägget? How? Du låter dum. You sound really stupid. He sounds stupid. It was like, I'm gonna turn the egg. How are you gonna turn the egg? It's in a box. Also, jeez, get some common sense, guys. Ah, Tito. Sure. I need... We got time today. Ah, this is good. This is a good content today. I feel it definitely. Look at him. Wants to be talking rubbish. Nonsense. Oh, don't mind. Let's put on. It's crazy. When 3 days ago, I went to the other store, Motax. It was 99 crowns, and now it's 119 crowns, and it's the same store, the same fucking store. It's like, why does the price over 3 days the price went up? 3 fucking days it went up. I bought this thing. I have it at home. I will show you. But they are hustling people, and when you steal from them, they want to talk. Mama, shut the fuck up. You shake that? Thank you. Yes. My auntie. Auntie. Där borta här då. Ursäkta. Grabbar, kan jag komma förbi? Tack. Tack. Vad söt. Excuse me. Yes, I want one of these ones. Oh. No, that one I don't want. With this stuck here. Yeah, I don't know if oh, there they have this other one. Tomato puree. Yes, I want this. That one. And do I need anything else? Oh, that was it. If I want, do they have like? Let me see. No, there's nothing. No, it's quite good. I'm gonna check over here. Nice view. Oops, sorry. Yes, I was looking for like this, but it doesn't look like they have it. I only see spinach here. Spinach. Only spinach, broccoli, yeah, it's hard to like just come to the store and look like this. It's much easier when they have everything like in a market store, everything outside opened. That's like so much better. But we have to make do with what we have until it's gone. We take our time. Now we're just waiting in line. Get this paper cut. Oh, that's good. So this is like like how our store here looks like. Looks good. Oh, she's sleeping. Adorable. It was free. Nej, alltså står det kö?
Nej, inte just nu.
La, da, da. Living in godis. Living in godis. She was actually I thought she was in front, but she was not in line, so this lady just came in front of me, but it's okay. I'm not in a hurry. I'm not in a hurry. I got time. She's pregnant heavily also. Oh, Jesus. Gonna soon give birth. I think it's a boy. Yeah. The way she's standing, I think it's a boy. Baby, me have something to tell you. But first you have to tell me, say you love me. You have to tell me, say you really, really need me. Are you going to have my baby? Girl, are you going to have my baby? Really, the doctor have to tell me. After morning sickness are ending, when me I go tell my mother, tell I'ma love you forever. We are gonna make it two together. The Vibes Cartel and oh, I forgot her name, but it's a good song. I love it. It just dawned on my head now.
Var det bra så? 152.
Oh.
Hej, Kristoff.
Tack så mycket.
Hello.
Nej, jag kan stänga in då. Du också? När kommer du? Säg, om en halvtimme? Om en halvtimme? Jo, mamma, var du bort hela sommaren? Var du bort hela sommaren? Wow! 74 kronor.
Yeah. Two. Så, det behövs inte. Thank you. So, guys, I'm gonna put you guys down just a moment. Let me pack my bag. Look at my feet. På YouTube, guys. Ni kommer se er där. Mary Connor. Hej då! Så, nu går vi. Guys. We're done. Let's take this way. We're gonna take a different route back home. It feels good. It's a summer way. Everyone say hello. We say hello. He's smiling. I love it. Like when they have the smiles on their face instead of the frowns. It feels damn good. Oh, damn good. when they're happy, 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 happy. Even me, I'm happy. I'm damn happy. You got the sausage, man. You see. So I'm gonna take you a different route now back, and we're gonna go, and we're gonna get there, get back home safely, as we left safely. It's good. Yeah, I swear, it's like I know now the medicine. Ish. So we'll be seeing on you. You know, now I understand why people, every time, you know, there is a fight or anything happening, they just take out the camera and start videoing. Before I'm like, why don't you help instead of like videoing? But like if you go and help and then you don't have proof something went wrong, it's you that will get the problem. Definitely. So it's like everything now you have to have it on tape. If you don't have it on tape, it didn't exist, like it didn't happen. And I faced a lot of those type of situations where like they give you that type of also they get you up in rounds, and then when you fire back, then you don't have proof. So it's just like fuck it. But now I got my proof, and I feel like everyone is much nicer when the camera is on. Definitely. But without cameras, they give me the nasty face. But hey, I don't give a fuck. We're still here, still marching, and I'll march till the day I can't march no more, and that's when I'm in my grave. But till then, we march forward. Aye. Ta, 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 ta. It is good, guys. It is damn good. You don't know, Asa. You don't know how I feel. It's like I feel so good. But now, like the faces that you're seeing are faces that I've been seeing all the time, almost every single day. Like they just be popping up in places that I'm walking, and you can say like, yes, it might be a coincidence, but a lot of it is not a coincidence. Like you just see, you know, it's like when it's only you that sees and feel, and no one else sees it. Like the people that are in on it, but like they make it feel like you're delusional in a way. But whilst you are not, it's like, I see your tricks. We see the tricks that they are playing. But this is what they do to people. And like, if you're not strong, I swear, you will lose it. You will lose it. You will definitely lose it. And you will not even want to get out of your house. Like, some of these people are just evil ass people. Like it's like they are dark. They just want people to be depressed and sad like they are. But it's like you choose sadness, you choose depression. Like, let me choose the life that I want to choose the happiness that I want to choose. Why do you have to fucking choose for me? Like, who the fuck are you? You see, that's the problem we have. Well, everyone, you have a choice. Don't let anyone ever make you feel like you don't, or you have limited of choices, whilst you don't have limited of choices. Like, no. So yes, guys, this is like our skate park that they have here. It used to be more packed, but there are little people here, so it's good. It's goody. So it's like a different route back now. We're going. Yeah. We are taking. If you like, each time I'm seeing this, I'm like, it's my name. My name. Soon, you know, like when you see like this, it's gonna be like the walk of fame, or how they call it in Los Angeles, I think it is. they have it. I don't remember, yeah, but like where all the celebrities have theirs. But mine is gonna be in Africa. Like, you're gonna have my name plastered. And maybe even not even just Africa, but like international. Everywhere you go, you will see my name. You will see me and my name. Yes. You know, speak it to existence. I am speaking it. I dream big. I have big dreams. Before I used to dream small, but then I learned nothing is impossible. It's like I am only small if I make myself small. So, and I've chosen not to make myself small anymore. I'm a big ass, so I am a giant. Let's wait. I am a giant. See, my name is everywhere. Everywhere you go. So whenever you see Meili on the floor, that's me. Think about me here in Rågsved. It's me they're talking. Yes, guys. Oh, here they have like beautiful artwork that they created. Looks good. And a beautiful glass house. Pink. It's nice. Yes. And then we have a frenemy. I beg. We don't talk rubbish. We'll keep it moving. Yeah, this glass house, it's like more for homeless people. I've heard. They live here and then just do their thing. We're going. So this is like a different wood area. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. You know what we say? Party every day, party every day. It is good. Party every day, party every day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Saturday. You know what we say? Party every day, party every day. We'll leave it for the next one. It wasn't worth it. Party every day, party every day, party every day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. You know what we say? Party every day, party every day, guys. We are partying every day. No, that was not it. We are. And here comes another one. She had actually a lovely body. They look good. Definitely. I would do. Let's see if we... No, you can see the ass. She covered the ass up. It would have been good though. She was giving the slow catwalk, you know, like you can see, like, but she was a little bit stiff. She doesn't look relaxed. She looks tensed. She looked like afraid, afraid of something. You know what we say? Dohahiala. Shoes away. Yeah. Dohahiala. Nonsense. It's like choose a way. He wanted to pling, remember? I'm not even in the way. He has a way there, he has a way there. Why are you plinging? And here's another one too. You have a way, just ride. You can ride. They want to be gentle now before they just trip. How about pling, plong. Oh, well, this looks cute. Look at the colors. You see? You get to see a lot of colors with me. Colors. Ooh. Bum, 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 bum. Lord, you know, I became the angry black woman. Like when they used to talk, like I became it because it got to a point I just got angry with people and everything, like the system and the way how just people are fake. It really got to me in a way, but now it's like but we can still get there though. There are days that I can like really but it's because, like, you know, when you're passionate about something, or you're just like passionate about people feeling good and being good around you, and you too want to feel good, then it hurts when, how do you call it, soulless people try to put you down. Because the ones that are trying to put you down, they don't have no soul. They are soulless. They are demons. A lot of them are demons, so they'll live here, you know. But they don't write it on their forehead, I am a demon. Like, no. It's like you have to get to a certain point, like, to see it. And that's like when you're spiritually awoken, then you can, like, you still don't really understand, but you can see, like, some people are just not humans. They are not. Oh, the wind is like, today the wind is with me. My ancestors are here. It's like, that's the problem, you know. They want to put me down because they see my light in a way. But the light, I got it from God. You know, we all have a path. And some people, when they know your path, why? It just ping and then it was smiling. It just had like this, but anyway, I don't care. Yes, you know, like demonic. But that's the problem. That's why, you see, that's why they're smiling at me. Now I've noticed the third person that has passed by, like, have smiled at me. Like, I have, like, the guys that, they make me lose, like, my focus, where exactly I am. Now I see these useless people. But anyhow, like I was saying, they're really demonic, and you can't really see, like, if someone is a demon, unless like you're awoken spiritually, like your eyes, you can see. And like they say, we all have spiritual gifts. You just have to find yours, and when you find yours, you will see a lot of the things you couldn't see before. And before I couldn't see, I have been fucking demons without even knowing I was fucking demons, you know. Like, they were taking, and like they were draining my energy. They were making wishes off of me. Like, this, you see the light, we see the light now. Like, just keeping me in circles, making my life a living hell. You know, in the beginning, the relationship was always good, but then, like, almost after like 2 to 3 months, they start with their rubbish, and then it's hard to, like, leave in a way. You know, they keep you going in circles, round and round and round. And I get to a point, like, I couldn't do it anymore. I left. But it's like each relationship, I was becoming stronger and more wiser. But even though, yes, I keep repeating some of the same, like, but I did not stay longer. It was like each time it was getting shorter, like shorter and shorter. Oh, maybe it's time to leave this. I keep dropping it. I feel like it's time to leave it and then take a new one. I used to find new sticks. Yes. Oh, I got me a new one. Is this one? No, this one. Here, there were a lot of them. Oh. This looks good. I'm a Messiah. I feel like the Messiahs, but they are my people, my family. Like, I definitely believe I have bloodlines down that road. Originally, they say I am from Sierra Leone country, but I normally used to say, before I used to say Sierra Leone, but now I'm trying to say, when people ask me where you're from, and then I just like, is this worth it? No, that one was empty. When they ask where I am from, I just like Africa, because for me, Africa is a country, not a continent, and it has not been a continent. Also, LA, it became a continent also after the invasion, the takeover, you know. But even here, like I used to work for the old people, and I've met nice people, nice ones. And when I've heard stories, when they ask me from where I'm from, like I tell them the country, they're like, what? And some, like more than 3 people have told me, more than 2, sorry, have told me when they were a child, Africa was like based off 3 countries. I don't really remember. They didn't remember which countries it was, but it was like it was only 3 countries in Africa. So according to them when they were growing up, but now it's like almost every year, one of the ladies say a new country. I meet someone from a different part of Africa. I'm like, oh, but it's like, yeah, they are confusing us, dividing us so much. That's why, and we too, we are just rolling with the punches. We don't, it's like people don't have the energy anymore to fight for anything. It's like they just accept whatever that is given to them. That's what they accept. And me too, before I was like that. I accepted until I realized, like, no, I deserve better. I deserve much, much, much better. Like, and I want better. I will get better. You have to want it and then go after it. Don't settle. And that's what I feel like now. We are not settling. Nope. You see? Oh, yes, guys. We're almost there. It's been fun. I swear, you guys don't understand. Like, even though, yes, I do my TikToks, you know, it's not the same. TikTok is like 3 minutes, but this I can make it as long as I want, and you guys can watch or like keep, how you say it, keep scrolling, fast forward, like the parts that you don't want to hear. I used to do that on people's videos as well. Like, it could be good content, but just some parts are too boring, or you keep talking about the same thing. And I know there are some parts now I keep talking about the same thing, but it's because we're in a loop. I'm trying to get myself out of this loop. Like, whew, I love it. Whew. I got my bigger take. It looks good. It looks damn good, yeah. As I see the view. The view is lovely, y'all. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Let's go home and try to make something to eat. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. but it's good. Oh Lord, I'm just thinking about the guy from the store. It was like he's going to turn the eggs. How the fuck are you going to turn the eggs when they are in a big ass cartons? Like it's impossible. When I say impossible, it's impossible for him to turn the eggs. So it's like you made no fucking sense. None at all. No fucking sense, I swear. We're almost. We are going almost home. These are all like new buildings, new homes that they build. They are quite new, actually. It's nice. Excuse me. That was not ladylike, but hey, I'm only a lady when I want to be a lady. We can be very wretched, very. You know, it's good to have it all. You can be a lady, and then you can be a thug. You can be a ninja. You can be anything. You can switch it up. Not just lady. If you're a lady, just a lady. They'll be matching you. And ain't nobody got time. So for people to be matching. No. Not a trans stuff. You try them. We go know. You go filana you come. Filana you come. Filana you come. You know when you tell you find it's like no. Oh, filana we come. Filana we come. That's good. You know when you get to a point when you don't find anymore, then it's time to also take a break from it. When you find, then you smoke. You don't find, but it's like that. I've gotten to a point when I have, I smoke, and when I don't have, I don't smoke. And it's like not even like when I have, I will be like saving it, or say I will save some for rainy day. No. I'll smoke it. I said like when it's finished, it's finished. Simple. You know, like you don't save for rainy days. When rainy days comes, rainy days you still go out. I still go out and hunt and look. If I see, then that's good. If I don't see, well, I don't. Yes, guys. Oh, she smelled good. The perfume was pretty nice, but it's like the same perfume everyone, a lot of them have been wearing. It's like even the men and the women, the same perfume. Like when they pass by me, they smell, and it's like they take a shower in the perfume. It's like, bruh, it smells sweet, so I don't really mind. You know, compared to some people, when they use perfumes, it burns your nose. But this is like the scent that they're using, it's a sweet scent, so it's like I really don't mind. But it's like, why put so much? You don't need that much, you know? Like, you truly don't need that much. Perfumes are supposed to be like, how you say, it's secretive. It's like when you come close to me, then you can feel my scent. But like not when you're also a mile away from me, then you can smell my scent. No, it's like when you're close by, then you know, like a nice, oh, you smell good, but like I'm standing like 5-10 feet from you, and I can smell your perfume. Like, bruh, no. And I can smell it really loud. Your perfume is loud. But hey, what to say? Loudness is alright. You want look you know already it. But cola. Cola, come on. It's cool. Coolie. Everywhere, left, right, the soldiers are come, left, right. Let me say, here comes trouble, here comes danger, sent by the Savior. Welcome the Rasta youths. Hey, I am a Rasta youth, definitely. Like, we're moving, and it feels damn good. Who are you talking to? He's talking on his phone. I was like, what is this saying? Like, as if he was talking to me. Oh, Lord Jesus. Yeah, the soldiers. I am a soldier for God. But these are the rebels. Yeah, like they're coming, but no worries. The soldiers are coming. Left, right, the soldiers are come. Left, right. Let me see, here comes trouble, here comes danger, sent by the Savior. Welcome the Rasta youths. We are the Rasta youths, if that's, or a soldier of God, definitely. I'm a soldier for peace. And sometimes before you get peace, it has to be war. You have to speak your mind completely and speak the truth as well. Because it's a very unfair world we're living in, and if you don't speak up, your voice will never be heard. Like, and there will never be a change. Things will just be the same way. So, if you want to change, you speak up, and no matter what, you will get you will have a lot of enemies. But enemies are enemies. They cannot do anything but hate. Just hate. And look you, but that's where they will end up. You know, some of these people, like, God will bless me. Let me turn the camera so you see me. God is gonna bless me, like bless me so good, and I will be at a place where I can help so many people. And then these people that are like hating me now, judging me for whatever reason, they will still be in the same position as they are today. Whilst I will be somewhere good. Like, my life will be changed. I'll be changing other people's life as well. Whilst there will be the same shit, the same depression, the same drugs, the same food they will be eating every fucking day. Every day. So I don't worry. Speak up. Always talk. Don't be afraid. Never be afraid. Talk. Be a parrot, you know. Parrot. Shout it. Scream it. Now me tell you. Yeah, so they don't know, but then go no. So we are almost home. This is like behind my yard, you could say. Woo. It feels damn good, guys. Damn good. And I feel like I've expressed myself really well. And yeah, there were some parts that we talked a lot of things, but who gives a fuck? You can just, how they call it, just skip where you need to skip and listen to what you need to listen, you know. It is good. We are I'm behind my home. It was nada here today. No, it was empty today, but it's cool. I'll go later in the evening. Now I'm gonna go cook and then enjoy my food, relax, and then I'll go out. Hello. There's a dog that lives there. He's so cute. He reminds me when I lived back home in Africa, I had the similar dog like him. It was similar dog, and he gave me puppies, a lot of puppies, but I left it, and then we came here to this prison. It looks like in heaven, but it's a prison. And definitely, it's beautiful, but like the rules, there's like the real rules, and then there's a rule that this fucked up people have created to just like keep people in circles. So that's when we get to that point, it becomes difficult. Else, the country itself is beautiful, definitely. It's magical, and there are places you will find and you'll be like, oh wow, breathtaking. It's like, is this Sweden? And then when you meet, it's like the system, they have created some type of system that is just fucked up. Let's let him go inside. I can open my own door. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna just take out my keys, guys.